Why, hello, and you might be seeing a little bit of green on there. Well, I got a handbrake on this bike. The line is the line that I bought from my ZX6, but don't really need it there because that bike is blown up right now. Got a Nissan caliper. Don't mind how this brake line is ran. I'm not really sure how I want to do that. I might just use the other caliper with the fitting on the other side and run a shorter line. I don't know. We'll see. But I got the Dixer parts bracket, that Nissan caliper, the HEL handbrake line, and a Brembo RCS14 master cylinder that was on my Grom, but well, I wanted to try it out on this. So let's go do some fucking wheelies. I haven't messed at all with the handbrake yet because I literally just got it on. So I have no idea how that's gonna go. We're definitely gonna try to do some handbrake stuff today. We'll see how that goes. I'm definitely scared of it just because, you know, new bike, bigger, more powerful. I'm pretty alright on the handbrake on the Grom, but this is not the Grom. So we're just gonna start out with some foot brake wheelies to warm up. Started using the handbrake instead of the foot brake just to start to feel what it feels like. So I think this one I'm going to pop it up, stop it with the foot brake at balance point, but then switch to the handbrake and try to do like the whole length on the handbrake. I don't know, we'll see. Feels weird. Trying to get up to double pegger. Little scary on this bike. And I could probably just clutch up double pegger instead of trying to stand up to it. Well, let's try standing up to it one more time. Should try to clutch up double pegger. Double pegger feels weird on this bike because of where the pegs are in comparison to my Grom, but I'll try to get used to it. Ain't really got a choice but to try to get used to it. getting up and double pegger. A little bit closer still. Holy fuck, is it hard. we should just do some fucking regular sit downs. Some regular foot brake sit downs. Oh my god, my heart's beating. I'm scared. Oh man. Dropping back a little bit. Alright, well, that one wasn't very good. But that's okay. They're not always all good. Progress so fucking fast on this bike, it's crazy. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh. 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 Ow, fuck. Oh. Oh, fucking shit. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, just did pretty good. Oh shit, I think I might have broke my foot. Oh my god. Oh. Alright guys, I actually crashed. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh, my foot and my ankle ain't doing so good. Oh, ripped my shoes right off. Fuck, that hurts so bad. Oh. Oh, fuck. I think the bike is mostly fine. Except for my fucking exhaust, that makes me mad. Anything else get damaged? Oh, fuck. Oh, my ass. My ass hurts really bad. My foot hurts really bad. My fucking foot brake lever's all bent. What the fuck? Son of a bitch. That was a crazy crash, guys. Holy fucking shit. Like, as soon as I came off the front of the bike, I felt like I was flying forever before I actually hit the ground. Oh, that was nuts. That hurt really bad. Look at my fucking sock. What the fuck? Alright, well, still, my fucking foot, holy shit! Alright, she still runs. That is good. Oh my God. Alright guys, we're still here at the lot, about to head home. I just fucking crashed. I think I broke my foot. I'm not totally sure, but it hurts really bad.